condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop a phone, play, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan. Drop it for me. I'll rent a beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want. Just
next natin gagawin, tatanggalin
you deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica. Girl, I'll be a flico, mama sister. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't gonna never leave.
Ito na itong ating sinabawang manok. Kung nasa Pampanga ka, normally yung ganitong luto, yung may lemongrass, ang tawag nila lutong sale. Yun yung tawag nila sa Kapampangan. So guys, ito na yung niluluto natin. Lagyan na natin pampalasa. Lagyan na natin patis. Ito na yung pampalasa natin. Tsaka maglalagay din akong salt. Konti-konti lang para pag kulang pa, pwede naman dagdagan. Ayan na siya. Tinikman ko, okay na ako sa lasa. Masarap na siya. Next natin gagawin, tatanggalin ko yung mga nilagay natin, mga lemongrass at saka i-strain ko siya. Strainer. Para, kasi hindi naman nakakain yun. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, nasa bagong lalagyan na. Ito na. Wala na yung mga lemongrass at saka onion, tsaka yung garlic, tsaka yung ginger, wala na. So,